Happy morning students, this is Mohammed Ashfaq. In this video we will be learning about missing numbers, which is a part of NTSE exam. So find the missing character in the given pattern. So you can see three different patterns over here. This is pattern 1, this is pattern 2 and this is pattern 3. But you can find a question mark in this pattern 3. So with the help of the first and second pattern, we have to find the logic of the question, and with that logic we have to find or replace the question mark. Let's see what is the logic that lies over here. So if you see these numbers 11, 22, 33, 44 and how it relates with the center number, if you cross check and add these numbers 11, 22, 33 and 44, you will get 40, 70, 90, 100, 104, 107, 110, 110. So you can easily understand, if we add the outer numbers, we will get the middle number. If we apply the same logic over here in the third pattern, we can easily replace the question mark. So for that we have to do 23 plus 34 plus 12 plus question mark is equal to 114. So 20, 50, 60, 64, 67, 69. So 69 plus question mark is equal to 114. So question mark is equal to 114 minus 69. So there 31, here 14, 35 and 10, 45. So the correct answer for this question is 45, which is in option C. Hope you got an idea about this question. Let's move to the next question. So seems like a easy problem, but if you are not good in missing numbers, then it will consume your time. But let's see how it works out. So they have given 5 numbers and we have to find the number which replace this question mark, and with this given numbers it is very difficult to find. So let's take row 1 alone and find the logic. So if we take row 1, in row 1 the column 1 number is 188 and in column 3 number is 263, and the difference of these numbers are, here we are having 12, there 63, so it is nothing but 75. And if we see the center number, that is 300. So the relation between the 75 and 300 is nothing but we have to multiply 75 with 4 to get 300. Let's apply the same logic over here. What is the difference between 915 and 893? Which is nothing but, here we are having 15 and on the other side we are having 7, which is nothing but 22. And if we multiply 22 with 4, we will get 88. So 88, do we have 88 in the option? Yes, we are having 88 as an option. So the correct answer for this question is option A, 88. So since I have solved this question, it may be easy to you people, but if this question appears in your question paper, it will consume more amount of time. So I request my students to practice as much as possible in the missing numbers topic. With this sum, I would like to conclude my session. Thank you students. Have a great day. Bye-bye.